So this is the main hall where we enter the auditorium, and this is the place where we have for registrations. So Dekonda, this is for you. And so this is the place, and from here we are entering to go to the auditorium this way, and here we have ample space to cover the registration part, and this is all the registration part, and from here, suppose up to here, if we can cover the up to here, if we can cover the registration, we have half of the other part to keep it open for all the people to go into the food court. So this is the way to the food court. So this is the way to the food court, and this is the way to the food court, and this is the registration place, and this is the way to go to the auditorium. So we have ample space to keep the tables in the registration place and give the space for the people who came inside the auditorium to pass to the food court. So this is for Dekonda and registration team. So this is the place for the vendor stalls, which we are going towards the auditorium, and there is ample space. Last time we used this already. So this for the space for the vendor stalls. So this is the vendor stall place from inside the auditorium, and this is the place where we are entering into the auditorium. And this is the place where all the participants will go inside and we are going into the stage place, and here we have a place called Little Theatre. If we can ask them to get these room keys on the event date, then we can let Chitra Garu and Shailja Garu, everybody sit in this place. And this is the place where we go inside the auditorium, and here we have the room called stage office, and even if we get the keys for this stage office also, it will be easy for us to get the Chitra Garu team to sit in. And this is the place where all the children get dressed up for the dances and all. And if you see here, these are the costume stops. This is the costume shop, and we have men's dressing room also inside here. So there are two rooms for costumes, so we need to get the keys for these two rooms. And this is the place where we're going to go up. That means participants will go up from here. And this is the place where this is the place to go inside into the auditorium. And last time also we had the same problem. We need to make this clean up properly so that we can use this for all the participants to stand. If they cannot give this to us, Then we have ample space here. If you see here, we have ample space to sorry, we have ample space here. So this is all the space that we can at least two participants, that means two program participants can stand here, and there is ample space here. And once they finish the makeup and all, they can come and stand here, and after that they can come here and go for the participation. And this is the auditorium. This is the auditorium. This is the stage basically, and this is the auditorium. So this is the auditorium. This is the exit where we allow sponsors and VIPs to come inside. And this is the another exit where rest of the participants will come inside. Sorry, not the participants. Rest of the people will come inside who are non-members. They will come inside from here. And this is the seating arrangement for non-participants. Sorry, non-members. దీపా గారు ఇది ఒక్కటి ఫోటో తీయండి. ఇది ఓన్లీ మామూలుగా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ పేరెంట్స్ ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళ కోసం. ఇది ఒక్కటి వచ్చేటట్టు చూడండి. So this is the proposed place where all the participant parents gonna sit here. There are 61 seats here. So 61 seats will be for participant parents, just only for participant parents. This set is 144. This set is 204. And this set, Samne, what is the count? 195. And the last set? 61. Last set is 61. That last set is 61. And this last set is also 61. This last set where the participants and everybody entering, this set we are using for participant parents. And this is the one we are using for VIPs and sponsors, members, board members and EC. And this one also the same. And the last one is also the same. So this is the place where all the people will come in for the food. And this is the place where they will go to the food section, and this is the food section. We are going into the food area. And this is the cafeteria. where we are entering into the cafeteria. And
ఓకే కానీ మామూలు ఈసీలో నువ్వు స్పాన్సర్షిప్ లేనటువంటి వాడికి
This is the food.
వాళ్ళకి విఐపి
this is the food place. And last time we used this area for the food, this full area for the food, and this time we want to use this area for non-members and this area for the VIPs and sponsors. 4 bouncers for food section.